Be sure to cook. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making hamburgers and gravy with mushrooms and a side of rice. So stay tuned and let's do this. Alright, I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of meat tenderizer. I'm using soy sauce. This is a light soy sauce. I'm also going to be using a teaspoon. Everything's probably going to be like a teaspoon because I have 2 pounds of ground beef, so I'm using a teaspoon in every one. Worcestershire sauce, good old steak sauce, any steak sauce you prefer. Okay, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, spoon of garlic powder, that's a whole teaspoon, cracked black pepper, however, to your taste on that. So you can put as much as black pepper as you like. Teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, add those chopped onions in there. Oh, let me see. The chopped onions, you can add. I am just going to start squeezing as I go. You have your water boiling with your salt. You want to add 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to roll these up like hamburgers. Okay, I have a skillet here and I have sprayed it with a non-stick spray and I've got it just up to temperature. I'm going to take my hamburger patty and I'm going to place each patty in the skillet. Alright, I have cooked the hamburgers and they're not all the way done. They're just a little bit of medium in there and that's what I want. I've got 2 teaspoons of the oil and I'm using 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and I'm going to mix all this into the oil with the one stir this all in like so. If it seems like it's a little thicker than your flour is taking a lot of it up, save all the oil and then just add a little bit more oil to loosen this up. I'm adding some good old chicken broth. Okay, and all this good stuff here at the bottom are my onion bits. It came out of the hamburger and all the season. Oh, that's gonna be good. So I'm gonna add, looks like it's about 2 cups. And I have a can of mushrooms that was drained, but you can also use the juice as other juice. I'm gonna throw those into my gravy mix here to put in here. That's gonna thicken up. Get me some cracked black pepper. I just put a little bit more. You gotta taste your gravy. I put a little black cracked pepper in it. Of course, I was using seasoned salt. Oh yeah, you need a little seasoned salt. More Mrs. Dash. Put all that good stuff in there. Some herbs, give it that pretty flavor. So I'm just gonna shake some of these parsley herbs in here. I had a little Au Jus pack. You can get those at the store. Always get an Au Jus pack. And then I add a couple tablespoons of the chicken broth. So I add this Au Jus into my gravy until the gravy that I've already made to give it an enhancer is what I say. So all these burgers that I've made, see these? These are going back into the pot. And these are going all back in the pot, smothered into that gravy. And these are going to simmer, and all that juice, and look at all of that juice and all that. Okay, this is the gravy that I had made with the hamburgers, gravy, and mushrooms, and you can see those mushrooms in there. I just wanted to tell you all, I enhanced my own gravy. I had added an Au Jus pack. What I did is took an Au Jus pack, I opened it up, put 2 or 3 spoons of chicken broth, stirred it, and added it to there. If it doesn't get thick, repeat and do that with cornstarch and stick it, and try to thicken it up if it doesn't. So I had to kind of thicken it up on my own. Sometimes it thickens up, sometimes it doesn't. This is the finishing product. Hamburgers and gravy with mushroom sauce to it, and rice, and I did some string green beans here, guys. I just put a little sugar, took a can of string green beans, put a little bacon fat or bacon in it, and some pepperoncinos, cook that down and reduce that, and there you go. Hey guys, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I want you all to come back so we can make more great dishes. Like I said, these are the dishes that your family will love, because these are home cooked dinners that you can enjoy with your family. Come back, let's do more, and thank you for joining us. Bye.